Welcome to Aporia Guardrails quick start tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to integrate guardrails into your OpenAI RAG chatbot in seconds. You can find the code I'm using here in the video description. So we'll start by adding a project. We'll continue. We'll skip the extractions part for now. I'll talk about this later, but it's important. So we can just click continue and add. We'll click the project, go to the Policies tab, and activate a policy. The guardrails are now ready for integration. So go to the Integration tab, copy the URL, and in your code, go to where you initialize the OpenAI object. Set the base URL parameter to the URL we just copied, and now we're going to need to add an Aporia API key. So you set the default headers parameter, and back in the platform, we'll just go to the API keys table and create a new API key. Copy the API key now because it won't be available later. Save, and we're ready to run the chatbot. We'll start by sending a test message just to make sure that the guardrails are connected. If we go back to our project, to the Sessions tab, we should be able to see the messages that we just sent. Yeah, so here we can see our message with the system prompt, the AI as the response, and documents retrieved as it's a RAG. But if you go to the Extractions tab, we can see that we have no extracted question and no extracted context. So what are these and why do we need them? Each policy might require different information to work. For example, for regular hallucinations, we will need context to determine whether something is an hallucination or not. If we go back to the project settings, we can see the regular expressions used to extract these contexts in question. So for now, we'll keep it simple and go to our code. Where we have this row, the context that is given to the LLM, we'll just change it to the format that we have there. Alternatively, you can change the irregular expression itself. For now, we'll keep it this way. Now that we've set the extractions properly, we can rerun the chatbot and make sure that everything came through. We'll go back to our project in Aporia Guardrails. Look at the Sessions tab. And now we can see all of the content properly extracted. You're ready to go. Have fun.